Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to translate Elementor websites with language translation and TranslatePress. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're looking to reach a global audience or make your website accessible to visitors who speak different languages. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your website. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and look for the plugins section, click on it, and then select Add Plugin. This is where you'll be able to search for and install new plugins to enhance your site's functionality. In the search field that appears, type TranslatePress. This plugin is specifically designed to handle multilingual content on WordPress sites, and it works seamlessly with Elementor. As you type, you'll see a list of plugins appear. Look for the one called TranslatePress, and once you've found it, click on Install Now. This will begin downloading and installing the plugin onto your site. Give it a moment to complete the installation. After the installation is finished, you'll notice the button changes to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate. This step is crucial because it enables the plugin to start working on your website. Without activation, the plugin will just sit there dormant, so make sure you complete this step. Now that TranslatePress is active, it's time to configure it. Head back to your left-hand sidebar and navigate to Settings. From the drop-down menu, select TranslatePress. This will take you to the main configuration page where you can set up your translation preferences. Here, you'll be able to choose which languages you want to offer on your website and customize how the translation feature appears to your visitors. Take some time to explore the options available. You can select your default language and add additional languages that you want to translate your content into. TranslatePress makes this process intuitive, allowing you to see changes in real time. Once you've made your selections and adjusted any settings to fit your needs, scroll down and click Save Changes. This ensures that all your configurations are stored and will take effect immediately. And that's it. You've successfully set up TranslatePress to translate your Elementor website, making it accessible to a much wider audience across different languages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.